Welcome. Today we are going to go over how to renew your RBS certification for another 3 years. In this video, we're going to show you 1. How to renew your RBS certification through the RBS portal. 2. How to get training through RBS California. 3. How to take the alcohol server certification exam. 4. What happens if you don't pass the exam. 5. Common mistakes regarding your server ID number. This video is brought to you by rbscalifornia.com. Let's get started. To renew your RBS certification, first go to the RBS portal. Their website is abcbiz.abc.ca.gov, and you'll arrive at the homepage behind me. Click on the Log In Register yellow button in the upper right corner of the site. You are now in the Login/Register page. Fill out your username, password, and click the Login button. In your dashboard, you will see a box in the upper left that has turned green and now says Recertification Notice. The box will stay green between 90 to 60 days of your certification expiration, then changes to yellow. Finally, it will turn red if you have less than 30 days to your certification's expiration. If your certification expires before you renew it, then it will just show as expired, but don't worry, you can still renew it. To pay your $3 renewal fee, simply click on Pay Recertification. If you close the tile, just click on Renew Certification instead. The $3 renewal fee must be paid by credit card. If your payment was successful, you will see Payment Successful, and you'll get a payment confirmation email as well. Now it's time for you to retake your RBS training. Maybe you like your old provider, which is great, but allow me 10 seconds for a shameless plug. RBSCalifornia.com is one of only a handful of providers that have the technical ability to immediately report your completed training to the ABC department instead of making you wait days to a week to be able to take the exam. And at just $9.95 for the course, why pay more for the same product? No harm in checking out our website to see if it's a good fit for you. RBSCalifornia.com. Okay, my shameless plug is over. The single biggest reason why students completed their training yet still can't take the exam is because the student provided an incorrect server ID number. Your server ID number can be found conveniently on your dashboard as well as in the message center in the upper right corner. The email is titled Server Registration Successful. Open it to see your server ID number. Once you have completed the training, the exam button will turn yellow, allowing you to click on it to take the exam. You will also receive an email from ABC informing you the exam is available. You will have 30 days to complete the exam after completing training. Here are some important information about the exam. 1. The exam is open note and open book. 2. You will have 3 attempts to pass with a score of 70% or better. 3. If you do not pass the exam within 30 days, you will be required to retake training, pay another $3 exam fee, and still have to pass the exam. Congratulations on passing the exam. You are now certified by ABC to be an alcoholic beverage server for the state of California for another 3 years. You can verify your certification by go to the upper left-hand corner of your server dashboard and look at your server certificate details. This box displays your current status and should say Certified. Remember, physical certificates are not issued by the ABC and only by your training provider. Feel free to reach out if you have questions after viewing this video by emailing us, info@rbscalifornia.com. Thank you, from all of us at rbscalifornia.com.